Amazon is stranding FBA inventory for sellers, but still selling it at the same time. You might be somebody who's also affected by this, and this was first reported by our founder, Stephen Pope, where we're seeing this across a ton of different brands. And when I say a ton of different brands, I mean we're seeing it on multiple different brands where, currently speaking, they have a bunch of inventory that is in stranded aspects. Now, the big part, and you'll see for this one specifically, it's still live and it's still selling, and Amazon is the one selling it. It didn't switch over to FBM. It currently is just still showing as FBA, and yet on the back end is showing as stranded. So if this has happened to you, here's how we are currently solving this. One, we believe this is a catalog issue and a back end Amazon issue more than anything. So a couple of different things you can look at doing here. The very first would be to open a seller support ticket and also to go through the process of typical stranded inventory fix. They haven't actually said what the reasoning behind this is, but what we have typically seen on most of these for the actual listing error is that they're flagging, or false flagging, I should say, some copy on the listing, and that they're saying that is in fact a listing error for the copy's purposes. So if that is the case, one thing that did help us fix this slightly was doing a full update flat file for some of the listings that were stranded in the first place. That should hopefully remedy some of this, and then you can go through and actually re-update that strain of inventory as well. I think there is a backend UPC issue happening here. So if you're seeing this on your end, I would go through, make sure all of your I's are dotted, T's are crossed, update with a flat file. Again, you want to do a full update, not a partial update here, and make sure that your inventory gets back to where it's supposed to be. This shouldn't theoretically be affecting your actual sales because, again, Amazon is still showing the listings live on the FBA platform. It's not switching over to FBM at the time of recording this, at the very least. And so hopefully this is a easy remedy, and we should see this go through in the next day or so.